Are you preparing for Praxis Mathematics 5165 Statistics and Probability, Mean, Median, Mode, Range, Box Plots, Histograms, Interpreting Visual Data? Do you need some extra practice? I have a video that is perfect for you. My name is Tom, and I'm a test prep expert here at study.com and a certified teacher who will walk you through some of the problems you may see on the test. Don't forget to pause the video and try these questions before I reveal the answers. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Use the table below to answer the questions that follow. The table shows the weights of students from Section X and Section Y. Which of the following relationships between the median weights of the two sections is correct? A, the median weights of the two sections are equal. B, the median weights of Section Y is lower than the median weight of Section X. C, the median weight of Section Y is higher than the median weight of Section X. Or D, the median weight of Section X is higher than the median weight of Section Y. All right, so when we're dealing with median, we're looking for the number that's in the middle, all right? And you have to have the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so I'm going to start with Section X, and we're going to start putting these in order from least to greatest. So it looks like the smallest is 72, then we have 75, then it looks like we have 78, and then it looks like the next is 80, and then we have looks like 82, and then the next number would be 83, and then we have 85, 88, 92, and 95. All right, for Section Y, the smallest number in the set looks like it is 80, so let's cross that out. Then we have, looks like 82, and then after 82, it looks like we have 84, and then we have 86. We have two 86s. The next number in the set is, it looks like 88, then 90, then 91, and then 93 and 98. All right, in order to find the median, what we need to do is we need to find the term in the middle. So the first thing I want to do is count up. It says there are 10 students. So there is an even number in our set. So that means the middle term is going to be between the fifth and sixth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can see for set X, if we take the average or the mean of 82 and 83, we would get 82.5 for the mean for set X. And if we do the same thing for set Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would get the mean of 86 and 88, which would be 87. So that means the median weight of section Y is higher than the median weight of section X. So the correct answer is C. Use the graph below to answer the questions that follow. Which of the following is the area under the normal curve which represents the students with weights between 86 and 94 pounds? Is it A, 0.135, B, 0.475, C, 0.340, or D, 0.680? All right, so this is the normal curve. So between 86 and 94 pounds, that represents one standard deviation unit from the mean. And in a normal distribution curve, each of these sections is 34% of the data. So we take 34% and then we add those together. So 0.34 plus 0.34, and we would get our answer D, 0.680. Two box plots comparing the test scores for two classes, Class A and Class B. Which class has a higher median test score? Is it A, Class B? B, both classes have the same median. C, cannot be determined from the box plots. Or D, Class A. All right, so the median in a box plot is this vertical line that's on the interior of the box. So in this case here, the median would be here, and in this case here, the median would be right there for Class B. So what we want to do is we want to see on the score axis which has a higher value. So if we look at Class A, the median lines up with a score of 70, but when we look at Class B, even though it's farther to the left, the scale is different and it lines up with 75. So the correct answer here is choice A, Class B. When attempting to find the center of a data set, which of the following methods is best for a data set with one or more outliers? All right, so when we have outliers in a data set, so let's use an example. So let's say we had the numbers, 2, 3, 7, 4, 9, and then we had one number of 1,250. This would be considered an outlier. So what that 1,250 is going to do, it's going to skew the mean. So that means the mean is going to be much higher if we looked at this data set and calculated the mean. So I'm going to eliminate that. So what you want to look for if you're trying to find the center, the mode is not going to help you with finding the center of a data set because that just tells you what appears most on the list. So I'm going to eliminate choice B. So the best choice here is to use the median because the median is not as affected by outliers as much as the mean. So for example, if we put this in order and found the median, we're still going to get an appropriate answer when we find the median between 4 and 7, which is 5.5. So the correct answer here is C. That concludes our video, Praxis Mathematics 5165, Statistics and Probability, Mean, Median, Mode, Range, Box Plots, Histograms, Interpreting Visual Data. How'd you do? Did you get them all right? Let me know in the comments. For more practice, check out our Praxis Mathematics 5165 playlist. For even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Test Prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.